Hi, I'm Elle from Alltrek.com. The Sierra Designs toaster jacket offers affordable versatility and performance with casual good looks. The toaster is your ticket to all-day warmth at the ski resort and easy care weather protection around town. Thanks to synthetic Thermalite insulation and Hurricane 2-layer waterproof and breathable fabric, the toaster handles everything that Mother Nature dishes while delivering reliable warmth. Forget the boxy look and feel of your old winter jacket. Sierra Designs offers a feminine fit, and their Condor construction enhances arm mobility to reduce jacket lift. They also include a great selection of features that add up to improved comfort and function, including taped seams, Trico chin guard, zippered storm flap, waterproof zippers, and pit zip ventilation. You can't go wrong with the toaster jacket. You get affordable all-weather versatility and clean casual style. You will ski longer and stay drier with the Sierra Designs Toaster Parka. Alltrek.com. Gear, reviews, live advice, passion.